Got this sighted in. This is 300 blackout with Deer Season XP 150 grain. There's those. And I'm going to see what the difference is. I got the Remington 120s UMC open tip, they're calling them. You just see the difference. I'm going to shoot one shot with the 150 and see how close the other, I got two shots behind it of the 120s, seeing how close they tag along to the 150. And I'm just going to do that real quick. Check that. Not too big of a difference. We are in the neighborhood of 50 yards. I'm dodging mud, so it's somewhere around 50 yards. But there you go. Ain't a whole lot of difference. Still tagging along pretty decent. So that ain't too bad. So you can have it sighted in for the, you can have it sighted in on the 150s and still do your thing on the with the 120s. All right, as y'all see, the one touching the red, that was the 150, and the other two right next to each other basically is the 120s, the USMC or UMC Remingtons. So not too terribly bad. Again, that rest ain't the sturdiest of rests, so that's still pretty good. So there you go.